What's for dinner? It's a question you ask yourself every single day. Well, today I'm going to enlist the help of someone really special to help me figure that out. In fact, she's so special, I bought her some flowers. So the question is, who is it and what's for dinner? Follow me and we'll find out. Nonna Fina!
Oh, surprise.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you
I brought you
too.
some flowers.
Thank you for this, but it's too much.
It's not too much for you. Mwah.
You are very romantic.
Oh, yeah, that's what my wife tells me.
Oh, come on, you are.
A little bit, a little
bit.
What are you doing out here? You're looking at the
Oh,
lemons?
look, I look for the lemon because sometimes, you know, the weather.
I thought you were going to tell me you make your own limoncello.
I make limoncello too.
I've been watching you on TikTok.
Right.
And every time I watch one of your videos, you make me laugh. But I want to see what you can do in the kitchen.
Oh, all right, we go.
Come on, let's do it.
We do pumpkin pasta today. What do you think?
Let's go. I love pumpkin.
Let's go.
Nonna Fina, who do you normally cook for? How many kids do you have?
I got the two, but no kids anymore. I'm old. No?
They're big.
They're big. I got the granddaughter, it's still big. I'm old.
You have to tell me your secrets. I have two boys.
You have to balance.
Balance. Okay.
No soft, no hard. Just nice.
Just like the pasta. Al dente.
Al dente, corretto.
I like it. All right, okay, so what are we going to make today?
Pumpkin pasta. And that's the ingredients.
Nice and simple, not too many ingredients.
No, not many ingredients.
You teach me, Nonna, whatever you do, I'm going to do.
All right, start with the pumpkin.
We start with the pumpkin.
Then you cut like this. Don't cut yourself, eh? Come on, hurry up. You're too slow.
I haven't been told that for a while. Nonna, you're like a ninja with that big knife. You've got a lot of skill.
What do you mean I got a lot of skill?
Well, you're fast. I've been cooking my whole life in the best kitchens. And I thought I'd be faster than you, but I think you're quicker than me. Nonna, I bet sometimes you look back how fast times change.
Yes, they're different.
Times change so much, but you know what's so beautiful?
Yes.
We still do the same thing. We still cook for the people we love.
Cook for the people, yes.
And we get asked every day, what's for dinner?
Yes. Started to cut,
Okay,
not just talk.
Yes, Nonna. So, what do we do with the onion, Nonna?
The onions we have to cut.
Okay. Makes me cry, Nonna.
Yeah, this one, they clean your eyes.
Oh.
Come on, no cry.
Nonna, I'm really crying quite a lot. Why aren't you crying?
You are baby, I told you.
I am a baby. I feel very emotional that I'm getting to cook with you today.
Yeah, that's if someone, they have to cry, pick up the onions and cry. You act.
Garlic, okay. You want me to break one?
You know why I'm not cry?
Why?
On my time is we're not that emotion.
You're calling me a wimp, aren't you, Nonna? It's okay. I can take it. I can take it.
You can take it?
I think I can
No, you are baby. Now the pumpkin, we have to fry it now.
So you want some olive oil?
I measured the oil and I got the cup.
All right.
The oil cup, I don't know where I put any this one.
Is it up here?
No, might be on this one. That's sorry. I got the oil cup. The oil
She called
cup
me a baby.
to be here. Yes.
Told me I was a wimp.
This is my oil cup.
Oh, I like it.
You see?
It's like
That's the coffee cup.
Put it all together.
Yes.
And this is for the pasta. Do you put salt in the water?
Yeah.
So you taste the water.
Yeah, taste the water because you have to taste everything.
I like the way you
You
think.
have to taste before you do it.
You know what I tell my cooks in the kitchen? It's okay to make mistakes, but we
Yeah.
have to keep the mistakes in the kitchen.
the
They're never
kitchen.
allowed to go in the dining room. You want me to cut the parsley, Nonna?
Yes. Yeah, but it take too long like this.
Okay.
Just to pick up all and do it like this.
Right.
1 and 2. Finish.
Finish. Okay.
Sorry.
I'm getting schooled today. So pumpkin? Whole thing?
All of it.
All of it, okay.
Like this.
All
More.
of
That's it.
Okay, so we're going to sweat that down in the olive oil with the onions and the
Yeah.
garlic. Now, Nonna, do we put a little butter as well?
Not too much. I worry about
Yeah.
your figure.
Thank you very much. Toss
See?
it in.
That's
Oh.
it. Yes.
So this is a stock powder, right?
Yes.
Not much, right?
With the spoon.
Oh, yes.
Better with a spoon.
Everything has to be measured.
That's it. Now we put the lid on the top.
Oh, you didn't let me taste the limoncello yet.
You want to taste it?
Of
Oh, what's
course.
the matter with you? Come on. We have to taste.
Let's go. Oh, fantastic.
We pretend we got the coffee, all right?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's a nice espresso. Nonna. That's the best espresso I've ever had.
You sure you like it?
Oh, that's good. Let's see the pumpkin.
See, yeah, that's ready now, ready to blend.
Ready to blend. Okay, perfecto. Look at this machine, Nonna. This is amazing. This could be in a vintage movie.
It's still working. That's it. You have to touch here.
You have to touch it there.
Because,
That's not supposed to work like that.
no.
So how did it become like this?
I say to my husband, I put on rubbish this because no work anymore. No worry, I fix for you. But he fix like this, halfway.
So you got to push it down.
Come on, darling. Go.
Oh, it looks so good. It's such a beautiful color. Shall I put the pasta in the water?
Yes, I use matese pasta,
Matese.
rigatoni. Remember, all the good pasta take longer.
Better the quality, the longer it takes.
Yeah.
Do you put a little cream?
Yes, we put a little bit cream now.
Uh-huh.
A little bit more. Yeah.
So now we grate some parmesan.
Yes.
Parmigiano.
Parmigiano reggiano.
It's funny, I would never think to make the pumpkin puree and then put the pasta through it. It's very simple, but that's what great Italian food is. Oh, it looks beautiful. My mouth's watering.
After this parmigiano, like this, yes.
Oh man, that looks so good. You've taught me a lot today. You taught me about beautiful pasta. You taught me I'm still a bit of a baby. You taught
Come
me-
on, you're better than me. Don't say that.
This has been
Don't
fun.
say
Really,
that.
really fun. Nonna Fina,
Oh, ready.
finally ready. This looks so good.
Look, delicious.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh, look at that. Steamy, creamy,
Creamy and everything.
pumpkin-y. I am excited to taste it.
Good.
Bellissimo.
Oh, that's bellissimo, buonissimo, buonissimo.
It's creamy, it's rich, you taste the onion and the garlic.
Garlic, taste everything.
You're lucky, Nonna Fina, that I live a long way from you.
Oh,
Because otherwise I'd be coming around for dinner
yes, why not?
regularly. Next time I'm in Sydney, I'm coming to see you, okay?
The door always open.
Nah, that's nice. Now, if you want to cook Nonna Fina's delicious pumpkin rigatoni, you can get the recipe in the caption below, or you can go to coles.com.au for more recipes. I think I might need a second bowl.
Yeah.